Hello everyone. First of all, let's check the inspirational picture from Pinterest. Look at this wedding welcome sign. Today I'm going to use my material to make the welcome sign like this, but my board will be smaller than this inspirational picture, so the flower wrap will be smaller. If you want to make the effect like that, you need to use a larger wooden ball or any ball. Okay, now let's go. So everyone, talking about the material for this tutorial, I will keep using this material, which I use for my old tutorial. Just make a little change will be okay. Okay, now let's go. First of all, I will remove the sign. Okay, look at the back side. This is our cardboard stand, so it can well support the PVC board. If you want to know how I set up the stand for the board, you can check my old tutorial by click here. And on this tutorial, I will keep using this stand, so I don't want to remove it. And today, I will use this PVC material sign instead of the fabric material. This is the painting fabric. But today I will use this material. Let's check the difference and check which type of the material will be better. Okay, before I paste the sign on the board, I will add more double face tape on the board because I need it to well support the flower. I don't want to use so much double face tape on it because it's hard to remove. I need to use this ball for other project. If you want to make the wedding size, you can apply more white glue or other glues to make it sturdy. But since I just making the sample and I need to reuse all the material, so I don't use so much glue on it. Okay, the next step, we need to stick the PVC sign on the board. If you're using the PVC material, you should very careful because the double face tape very sticky and works well with the PVC material. If you cannot make it successful by once, you will create a crease. Look at this, make the crease. So if you are not good at handcraft, I recommend to use this painting fabric will be better. But anyway, let's do it. Very careful. Look, very sticky. If you cannot make it successful by once, it's hard to tear it off. But anyway, let's just try. And because Okay, consider of the handicraft problem. I don't recommend to use this material. Or you can use white glue instead of the double face tape will be better. But if you're using the double face tape and not good at the handcraft, don't use this material. Using the white glue will be better instead of the it looks not good, but anyway, let's go ahead. Okay, let's stand it up. Look at this. This is not the problem of the material. This is the character about the material and the grip. If you're using the double face tape, it will be very sticky. So you have to place the side on the right place by once, successful by one. If you're not, you cannot. Don't use the double face tape. Use the white glue instead of the double face tape will be okay. Or you are not good at the handcraft, use this painting material will be better. Painting fabric. But anyway, I take videos not only to show you the idea about how to make the decoration, I also show you the material, the shortage and advantage of the material. So on my video, I won't show you everything perfect. I will show you the advantage and shortage. This is my video style. Not everything is perfect, so let's go ahead. Okay, then I cut a circle with a cardboard and a foam. I cut a circle, and now I will stick it, the foam circle, to the cardboard. Because my foam is soft, if you have some stronger foam, you don't have to make this cardboard one. But anyway, since I'm just using the material I have, and I will stick it on it with the glue gun. Actually, I'm not good at handcraft, so if the material, the idea, the decoration I make and show you on the tutorial, if you like and satisfied with my design and all what I make, I'm sure you can do it much better than what I make. Okay, I will use the double face tape on the cardboard so that we can stick it on the side. You can use the double face tape, or you can use other glue, will be okay. That will be okay. Okay, then we need to paste it on our sideboard. But I need to use the flower to set the place where I should paste it to. So just insert 2 flowers on the foam. So the flower, the top of 2 flowers, and the diameter of the foam circle. This is the diameter of our flower wreath. Okay, so just use the flower we make and place it on the ball, so we can set the right place. We need to put the foam to the ball from here to here. Let me check. Okay, so if you are not using the double face tape, you are using the group, so you have chance to change the place. Or you can make the flower, pre-made the flower rest, and then paste the rest on the side ball will be okay. You can use the hot group and then paste the flower on the circle. That will be okay. But since we are not professional, and we are not good at the color match, so we may need to change our design several times until satisfied. So we will use the stem and insert the flower head to the foam. That will be better. If we are not satisfied and we need to make the adjustments, we can take it off and put it on other place. But if you are using the hot group, you cannot change the design. So convenient. You can change, but it's not convenient. And about how to make the stem for the flower, it depends on the thickness of your foam. So, for example, use the stem on it. You can buy the stem from me. Insert the stem on the flower head, and then this plate will be same as the foam. The thickness of the foam. For example, the thickness of the foam will be here. So you just cut it off, will be okay. Use the tool. Cut it off, will be okay. And you can use the short one as a sample and keep cutting. A lot of the stem for the standby will be okay. Okay, completed with everything. Let's check the effect. The tips about arrange the flower, it will be very simple. Just insert the flower head on the surface round and the second round on the side of the foam. That will be okay. And then insert the leaf on the gap. the come out will be pretty. And since the flower just insert on the foam, it will be easily drop off. So after you finish your design and satisfy your arrangement, just put off the flower and apply some hot glue or other groups and put it back will be okay. So the flower head will be stick on the foam, very sturdy. It's very simple. Also, about the size of the flower wreath, you need to calculate the diameter of the foam and two of the height of the flower head. So when you design the size, you need to keep enough space for the flower wreath. You can design your wedding sign and send me, and I will ask the factory how to print out the sign. Ignore the crease because I'm using the double face tape, very sticky, and the PVC work with the double face tape, so I'm not good at the handcraft, so I cannot make it successful by once. Also, I really recommend to use the painting fabric instead of PVC fabric. Okay, look, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.